Well, hello there and welcome back to another great video here. And today we're going to be talking about Club for Men. And a few things I want to talk about. One, this is an extrait de parfum. It sells for $299. It is available at FragranceInsider.com, and you can actually use the link in my bio, the JSM coupon code, to save you some money on this. And trust me, you will want to do that because this sells for full retail for $299. The bottle looks like this. It is a 100 ml, and now it is extrait. It is not an EDP. The smell profile. Let's go ahead and spray it and talk about it real quick. I'm doing one spray because a little bit goes a long way for this one. It is sweet, it is fun, it is flirty, it is very easygoing. Something that you and probably anybody else can wear. This isn't just for men. I know it says it's for men, but it isn't. And I'll tell you why in just a minute. Because this one is one of those things that I feel like is just very easily shareable. Very easily shareable. In fact, it's so easily shareable that it used to be called this. This is unisex for everybody. And they discontinued unisex. In fact, it was only available as a 50 ml bottle. And I believe this was just an EDP. And they intensified that DNA from unisex, made it a little bit louder and a little more fun, a little more flirtier. They intensified it. They made it an extrait, and they changed the name to Club for Men. So, if you're wondering what happened to unisex, or if you were like, man, I wish I could get my nose on unisex. Well, I believe unisex, if it isn't already sold out by the time you're watching this video, it may already be gone. If it isn't, grab it while you can because they're blowing those out. But until then, you probably want to grab this too, and you'll see the differences between the two. And if you're a collector like me, you probably want to keep some of the discontinued stuff just in case you need to revisit it again. So there you have it. This is Club for Men. It's available at FragranceInsider.com. Use the link in my bio. Don't forget to also use the coupon code JSM to save some money. Thank you so much and take care.